In this video, I will share with you 2 ways on how you can make money on YouTube. Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm a mindset and business coach, and in this video, I will share with you 2 ways on how you can be making money on YouTube. So the first way how YouTubers make money is by making videos, producing content, uploading it with a business strategy on YouTube, so those videos are found and seen. If you do not have a strategy behind your video, which is like a detailed strategy that you must have, your video will never be found. If your video is not found, nobody will be watching it. If nobody's watching it, not going to be making any money on YouTube. So the way YouTubers make money on YouTube is by video ads. Then I believe you get about 10,000 views on your channel. So maybe you upload 10 videos or 20 videos and you finally get that 10,000 views. YouTube allows you to monetize your channel, which basically means lets you put ads on your videos. When your video has an ad, it means that video is monetized. And if people click on the ad, this is how you make money. So YouTubers do not make money from producing their own content. And it's nothing about is the content is amazing, or if it's not that amazing, is it positive, is it negative? It's nothing like that. YouTubers literally make money from the ads that they put on their YouTube videos. So how much money do YouTubers make? I'll tell you the statistics of my other YouTube channel. Basically right now I have over 30,000 subscribers on my other YouTube channel, and depending on how many people are subscribing to my channel each month and how many views I'm getting on that channel each month, you can see the increase or decrease in my YouTube salary, right? So on a good day it could be over $8,000 a month. On a bad day, it could be maybe $300 to $400 a month. So it just really depends how many people are subscribing to your channel and how many people are watching your videos. The more videos you will have that people are actually watching, the more money you will make, because again, the more ads you can put on your videos, the more people click on it and you make money from the ads, and then this is how you make the money. If you think that you're gonna start a YouTube channel and become a millionaire, that's not gonna be the case. If you look even at the most successful YouTubers who, let's say, have 1 million subscribers or 10 million or 20 million subscribers, if you analyze their channel, you can see that majority of these people got to that 1 million subscribers or 20 million subscribers by producing the content for many, many years. For me, I got 30,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel on my 4th year of YouTube, so it did not happen overnight. However, some people do get lucky, like this guy Rowan right here, who I coached the YouTube strategy behind the videos, and his channel went totally viral. Obviously, he did not get lucky. The boy maybe has more skills, or he is more likable, or there are other factors that get involved into that. But if you're thinking to start a YouTube channel just because you want money from the YouTube, it's not worth it, because to make a YouTube video that can potentially be successful takes a really long time. I know some of my videos, if I'm putting a bit more editing in, it can take 2 days of like 16 hours of work a day. And even then it's not perfect. So it takes a very long time to edit a video professionally. If your video is more about coaching and talking, yes, it can be done quicker. Anyway, what I'm saying is YouTube is a lot of hard work behind the scenes. It's not that you just filmed yourself talking and you put it up. It doesn't work like that. So it's a lot of work behind the scenes. and for the money that you get from YouTube, in majority of cases, it's not worth it. Anyway, guys, let me share the second strategy with you, how you can make money on YouTube. And this is purely gold. And everyone who has self-belief, confidence, has value, has discipline, is applying a YouTube strategy behind the videos can do it. So what it is, it's basically what you do, and this is what I do, is I am marketing myself on YouTube. Marketing myself by delivering quality content. People can have a look at my content, we can try, we can test it, see that it aligns with them. And then when things align with them, they come to me and they book me. So people find me through YouTube, then they check me out, and then they come and book me. This is how I attract my clients. I don't go out hunting for the clients and pushing them my advice. I don't do that. I provide content, produce content when people are looking for the answer to their question, and we find it, let's say, on my YouTube channel, because I have a strategy behind my video. So my video is found. So when we're looking for something, my video is found. We check my video, we take the tips from it, we apply it, we see it's working, and this is how we come to me and we book me. If we don't book me, we spread the word. So this way to make money on YouTube is much better and much more content and successful way long term. So I would always recommend a second option. And it's not necessarily being a coach that, you know, you put yourself out there, people come and book you. That can actually come overwhelming if you get too many clients. Put your content out there and start selling the products. The more people you have watching you, the more subscribers you have, the more followers you have that like you, the more people will buy your products. These are the two ways on how you can make money on YouTube. As I said, I do coaching on that. So if you would like some more details, or you would like to have a consultation, please book me from my website. I'll drop the link in the video description box below. Check out Rowan, how his channel went viral when I applied the YouTube strategy which I use for my own videos. And if you got some value from my video, please don't forget to like it, share it with the friends that need it. Please let me know in the comments below, what did you think? If you would like to follow me on other social media, such as a Facebook group, I have High Value Mindset Facebook group, I have High Value Mindset Instagram. Please feel free to do so. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Kisses from Manchester.